Welcome back to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Ricky, and today we're going to discuss something that stresses out nearly every car accident victim: medical bills, right? Medical bills are bad. When you are hurt in a car accident, especially one that wasn't your fault, it's easy to assume the other driver's insurance will just pay your bills. But an assumption does not make fact, right? In Texas, it doesn't work that way. Let's break down who pays, when they pay, what you need to know to protect yourself. So let's get into all that good stuff. First and foremost, Texas is an at-fault or tort state when it comes to car accidents. That means the driver who caused the accident is legally responsible for covering the damages, including medical expenses. But here's the catch. Getting the other driver's insurance to pay often takes time and some fighting and haggling. You might be dealing with ambulance rides, ER visits, physical therapy, or surgery, all while waiting on a claim to process. And you gotta understand your immediate options. It's gonna be very critical here, because if not, you have a lot going on and you don't know what's going on. Most Texans don't realize that they gotta use their own health insurance, personal injury protection, or medical payments, or med pay to start paying for these treatments, right? You're paying out of pocket, you're using your own resources at first. These options can help cover expenses while your legal team works to secure a settlement from the at-fault party. Even though it feels backwards, using your own benefit can speed up care and it prevents collections of credit card damage. Now, if your health insurance or personal injury protection pays your bills, they'll likely seek reimbursement from your settlement later. So they're gonna pay first and then get their money back. So don't think you're gonna have this large settlement. No, they're gonna get their money. A process called subrogation, and this can get complicated, right? And negotiating these liens are gonna be a very important part of what we do for our clients. Without proper representation, you could end up paying back more than you should, and that's gonna reduce the compensation you ultimately take home. And as attorneys, we wanna help you maximize your compensation. So many clients come to us frustrated that the at-fault driver's insurance won't respond, or they're trying to delay the process. That's normal. You should expect that. Unfortunately, it's a common tactic, right? As I just said, they hope you're gonna give up or accept a lowball offer just to get your bills covered. You know, I'm stressed, I got medical bills, I want it over with. But if you have a knowledgeable personal injury attorney, you can shift that power back to your side and you can make them pay attention. Waiting too long to seek medical treatment can harm both your health and your case. So insurers are gonna argue that delays in care mean you weren't seriously injured. Even if you're not sore after a crash, it don't mean you're not injured. You need to see a doctor. You need to get your documents. You need to document your symptoms. You may have a headache the next day, some sore neck, a stiff back. That documentation is key to proving your injuries later and recovering fair compensation. If you've been injured in a Texas car accident and you're drowning in medical bills, don't panic, but don't wait either. Contact our office today. We're gonna give you a free consultation. We're gonna walk you through your options and we're gonna help you fight to get your bills covered. So please make sure to like our video. You can subscribe to our channel for more Texas legal insights. If you have questions, you can leave them below in the comments. We're here to help you and we're gonna see you in the next video. Take care.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.